Hi everyone, I'm Kim Tischler, Education Coordinator for Student Programs at Mohonk Preserve. Welcome to Nature Nuggets. I'm joined today with my son Soren.
Hi.
Today's nugget is about land art. Land art is a great way to engage children with the world outside and encourage them to appreciate the beauty and wonder of nature. You need three things: an imagination, access to the outdoors, and a small collection bag. Land art is a two-part process. Part one is to go on a hunt and collect items that pique interest. Part two is to put those natural items together in a range of different ways to make exciting and beautiful artwork. This activity is also a great way for children to become familiar with the spring season and to think about the natural objects that are associated with it. This is Soren during part one of our project, not picking anything live, but finding items on the ground.
Then it also looks like a plane from here, but a deer from here. Three.
In the bag.
There's even two triangular acorn tops. For snake eye. Look, there is like the beak and the holes for the eyes. You got all that.
Ooh.
Leaves, rocks, red rock. We got another one of these. I found this and I found these two.
Now we're ready for part two, which is arranging our found items in any way we like in different areas of our backyard. Land art allows children to be creative in an open-ended way. It is also known as transient art. And the benefits of this type of art include the ability to have multiple outcomes with endless possibilities. Mindfulness and the lack of expectations allow children to try new things and grow in their confidence. Through patterns, symmetry, lines, size, positional language, sorting, classifying, counting, combining and separating, whether that be adding, or taking away, shapes and measurements, it also lends itself to math.
Spiral!
These are examples of the land art that we created today. It really is a wonderful family activity. Get outside in your backyard and have everyone really hone their decision-making skills and exercise their creativity and imagination. Thanks so much for joining us today. Looking forward to seeing you next time.